Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kartika Mustikasari. You can call me Kartika. NIM 18822500044 dari Prodi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris. Today, I want to present about analysis of Guru Ainis novel. The theme of Guru Ainis novel is about courage and equal rights in obtaining education, seen from the story of a woman named Desi Istiqomah who had the courage to serve as a mathematics teacher. On the remote island, according to Desi, education requires sacrifices that have a fixed value, are constant and cannot change. In this story, Daisy finds a student who has a limited life background, but is a student who is just as good at mathematics as him. The student name was Aini. He was a child who was persistent and never gave up in achieving his dream of becoming a doctor. Even though his father was sick, this was the trigger for Aini's enthusiasm so that he could be accepted into the medical faculty that he wanted. Next character. Number one, Desi Istiqomah or Ibu Desi is the main character in Guru Aini's novel. There are several traits that Desi has, namely being firm, intelligent, and stubborn. From standing, this can be made clear from the following piece of text. Thank you, ma'am, but I only want to be a teacher. Father is proud that his daughter inherited that determination from him. B. Smart. This can be made clear from the following piece of text. Because he was so smart. Daisy was able, super smart children, but Daisy chose Diploma 3 education, which was organized by the government to produce teachers, math teacher. C. Stubbornness. This can be made clear from the following piece of text. But the smartest child is the youngest, beautiful, and stone-headed Daisy Istiqomah. Number 2. Aini acts as the protagonist in this novel. She is a woman who is tough, brave, hardworking, and loves her family. 3. Mrs. Marlies as a side character, she is only mentioned briefly in this novel. 4. Running Aryan shall play the role of Daisy Istiqomah boyfriend in the novel. He has character who is easily discouraged. Next. Background scene. Number 1. In a house, this can be made clear from the following piece of text. The conversation took place in a house in a small town in the middle of the island of Sumatra. Page 2. Number 2. At Desi's house, this can be made clear from the following piece of text. Mrs. Amana came to Desi's house or was invited by Mrs. Desi who had run out of ways to persuade her daughter. Page 2. Number 3. In class, this can be made clear from the following piece of text. Initially, there were 118 students 180 students in this very competitive class. Page 7. Number 4. On the bus, this can be made clear from the following piece of text. Next, he took a bus changing from one city to another. Page 14. Number 5. At the end, this can be made clear from the following piece of text. When it's too late, this is late in small towns he passed and then continues his journey by various types of vehicles. Page 14. Next. Time background. One afternoon, this can be made clear from the following piece of text. That afternoon, this is mother, father, several relatives, neighbors, and friends stood next to pole and electric in front of Desi house. Page 12. Two at night, this can be made clear from the following piece of text. That night, the teacher was pensive. Page 155. 3 morning, this can be made clear from the following piece of text. Here's the question. Oh, some brother, we have been casting there since 7 in the morning. Now it's 11. The deer are getting farther away. Page 175. Social background. This can be made clear from the following piece of text. Daisy was standing to her the gamble talk like a geography book and seemed happy to have the opportunity to practice his Indonesia with a strong local dialect. Page 20. Plot. The plot in teacher Ines novel use a forward plot. This can be seen from the telling of the story of a mathematics teacher named Desi Istiqomah who has firm principles even though he served in a remote place in the Cotumbi area. Situation like this did not make him discouraged from serving until he found a student named Aini who was also smart in mathematics like him, so that Desi could lead his student to the door to success. Next setting. When happy, this can be made clear from the following piece of text. If he gets a big city, he will be page 9. 2. Tense. This can be made clear from the following piece of text. The graduates are tense. The most tense in Salama. He was discouraged at the thought of being thrown away in a remote area. Page 8. 3 said in this can be made clear from the following piece of text. Mother is aware that this year's 8 was only a week ago. Her eyes were full of tears. Page 13. 4. Move this can be made clear from the following piece of text. When they kiss the merah putih flag, the werewolf. Page 12. Number 5, horrifying. This can be made clear from the following piece of text. He was horrified to imagine that his story would end on the death ship and his biggest dream to become a mathematics teacher on Tanjung Hampar Island sank with the ship the bottom of the Gaspar Strait. Page 17. Number 6, piece. This can be clear from the following piece of text. Suddenly, he felt calm, peaceful. Number 7, disappointed. This can be made clear from the following piece of text. Mathematics will make you disappointed, abandoned, misunderstood, and fired, and loved, and loved. Next message. Cast and achieve your dream keeps going even though you experience bitterness, sweetness, failure, and success. Time will bring you understanding, confusion, joy, and regret. From here, will gain valuable experience in life. Biography writer. Having the full name Andrea Hirata Seman, said Harun, or better known as Andrea Hirata. This famous writer was born in Gantung, Belitung, Bangka Belitung on Oktober 24, 1967. Andrea Hirata grew up in a village that was considered poor and underdeveloped in where it is located in a remote corner of Breton Island. A conclusion. Number one, humans must help each other and not bring each other down. So every effort then is down seriously will produce the desired result. Number three, limitation should not be an obstacle to development but used as a will to try harder. Four, negative experience that our experience can forget yourself into a new human being. Number five, education is something that is deserved by others and must be carried out wholeheartedly. Hanya itu yang dapat saya sampaikan. Kurang lebihnya mohon dimaafkan jika ada kekurangan dan kesalahan kata. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.